Good morning students of class 7. This in previous class we have completed exercise 13.2. Now we will move on to very interesting topic, that is circle. Everyone know that what is perimeter? Perimeter is addition of all sides. Let us say this is a pentagon. So what is its perimeter? Sum of all its sides is perimeter. But if you see carefully, there is no any sides for circle. So there is a different term, that is circumference. That is circumference. What is circumference? Circumference is the boundary of circle is known as circumference. That is, this is the boundary of circle. So the length of this boundary is known as circumference. You understand? Now, there is a formula to calculate this boundary of circumference, boundary of circle. What is the formula? This is the radius of circle. Okay. So the circumference of circle is calculated as 2 pi r. Now what is this pi? This pi is a mathematical constant. Now the word constant itself indicates that it has a numerical value. What is the value of pi then? The pi can be represented as 22.22 by 7 or 3.14. Whichever you can take value, 22 by 7 or else 3.14. Now again, the real question is, why 2 pi r? Yes, why 2 pi r? Because there is a Indian mathematician who is Aryabhatta. He invented this value of pi, 22 by 7 or 3.14. What is it? Now see, I will tell you. Let us say I take 3 different circles. Okay, 3 different circles. So what he did, he made a circle with different length of ropes. I am having already length of rope and I made one circle with it. Okay. So I know the length of circle now, means I know this boundary length because I have already prepared with fixed length of rope. I have prepared a circle. After that, I have calculated its diameter. Let us say it is d1. Let us say this is l1. After that, I take another rope with length l2 and I form a circle. I count the diameter, it is d2. And after that, I made one more circle, length 3. I count the diameter, it is d3. Understand the concept? Sure. So after that, what Aryabhatta did, he calculated the ratio L1 by D1. He calculated one more ratio L2 by D2. And he calculated one more L3 by D3. Surprisingly, all the results are same. That is, the circumference upon diameter, circumference upon diameter, and circumference upon diameter in each and every case was same. And what was it? It was 22 by 7 or 3.14. So, right now I tell you, what is circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r. And what is diameter? Diameter means 2r. If I cancel this 2 and r, what is the remaining value? Pi. And what is the value of pi? This 22 by 7. So, from this concept, value of pi is taken as 22 by 7. And from this same concept, the circumference of circle is taken as 2 pi r. You understand why? Because length is 2 pi r. The entire length of boundary is 2 pi r. And diameter is 2r. Diameter means 2r. Everyone know that. Clear? So, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Understand the concept? Right now, write down this. I will explain you how area of circle is calculated by using formula. Okay? polygons and circumference is for circle. Okay. So return. Let us move on to area of circle. So area of circle. Area of circle is calculated as pi r square. This is the formula of area of circle. But same question, how? Okay, I'll show you. This pi is a mathematical constant. Will represent value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Let us say I am having this one circle, and I cut this circle into few parts. Okay, let us say these are all equal parts, and I give it numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let us consider all these 14 parts are equal. Got it? Now what should I do? I cut those parts and I arrange in this manner. Clear? Count the parts. This is first part, this second part, this third part, this fourth part, this fifth part, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many parts are there? 14. 14 parts arranged in this manner. So if you think precisely, this is in the shape of, what is its shape? It is in the shape of rectangle. First, tell me what is the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now see carefully. This is breadth and this is length. If you see this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part, this is half of circumference, and this complete is the circumference. So circumference is 2 pi. We already studied. So what is half of circumference? That is divided by 2. So what is half of circumference? It is pi. Half of circumference is pi. So half side we are having here and half side we are having here of the circle. So this half side is pi. Clear? And what is this? What is this? This is, what is this? This is the radius of given circle. This part is the radius. Now length into breadth. What is its breadth? R. And what is its length? So pi r into r. So what is pi r into r? It is pi r square. That is the area of this rectangle. Area of this rectangle is pi r square. But this rectangle is nothing but what was it? It was our original circle. That's why area of circle is given as pi r square. Understood the concept? Right. without wasting a time, we'll move on to exercise 13.3, which is based on area of circle and circumference of circle. I'll write formula of circumference of circle. Okay, so let us start exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1, find the perimeter of following. Question number 1. It's like ice cream cone. This is given as 7 centimeter, no 9 centimeter. This is also 9 centimeter, and this length is given as 11 centimeter. Second number, we are having semicircle with this 12 centimeter, and C. Again one more semicircle with the diameter is given as 2.8 meters. When you see the first question, okay, in the first question they have directly given you this much length. What is it? 11 centimeter. Plus we are having this length 9 centimeter, and we are having this length 9 centimeter. So 11 plus 9, 20 plus 9, it is 29 centimeter. So that's it. This one was the only answer. Now these two, calculate perimeter of this object. Calculate. Yes, calculate. You see, I'll give you a very easy idea to calculate this. Suppose you are starting from here, you have completed this one round, and then you have returned back to home by this way. Okay. We know that for a given circle, let us say for a given circle, the circumference is calculated as 2 pi r. So for the semicircle, or we can say half circle, we are going to divide this 2 pi r by 2, because we are calculating only half of the distance. So for second question, I'll use formula 2 pi r upon 2. But I am using this formula only for this much distance. This much distance is still remaining. So I will add plus 2r. Why this 2r? Because I am going to calculate this much distance also. So 2 gets cancelled. So what formula you are going to use? Pi r plus 2r. We are having value of pi 3.14. What is its radius? 12. Plus 2r, 2 into 12. 12 into 4, 48. Carry 4. 12 into 1, 12. Plus 4, 16. Carry 1. 12 3 is 36 plus 1, 37. Plus 2 into 12, 24. Now add this. 37.68 plus 24. It is 0.68 as it is. 4 plus 7, 11, carry 1. 61.66, 68 centimeters. Now by the same method, you can calculate this one. Directly I will use formula now. Pi r plus 2r. Now the diameter of circle is 2.8 meters. So radius is 2.8 divided by 2, that is 1.4 meters. So pi, I will take value of pi 2.22 by 7 into radius 1.4 plus 2 into 1.4. Now you can ask me why I am using 22 by 7 here and why I am using 3.14 here. Because this 1.4 is divisible by 7. This 1.4 is divisible by 7. That's why I am using 1.4. So 7 on the 7, it is 0.2. 22 into 0.2 is 4.4 plus 2 into 1.4 is 2.8. 4 plus 8, 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7.2 meters. Don't forget to write units. Okay. Clear? Let us take question number 2. Find the circumference of the following. A circle with radius 63 centimeter. A circle with radius 63 centimeter. This is question number 2. And a circle with diameter 8.4. Diameter 8.4 meters. They both are very easy questions. See, if I want to split this circumference formula, what is the circumference of circle? It is 2 pi r. Can I write 2r into pi? Because it is in the form of multiplication. And multiplication always commutative law. You know that a into b into c is equal to b into a into c. Whatever it is. Okay? So, I can write this 2r first and then pi. This 2r is nothing but d. So the circumference of circle can also be given as formula pi d. First, we will calculate for this circumference of circle. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7. Radius is already given as 63. Again, you must be asking why I am taking pi is equal to 22 by 7 and not pi is equal to 3.14. Because this 63 is divisible by 7. So 7 on the 7, 7 9 the 63. 22 into 9, yes. 22 into 9, it is 198. And 2 into 198, it is 396. Now unit is in centimeter square. Why? Because no, it is centimeters. Because we are calculating circumference, not circle, not area. Okay? So circumference of first circle is 396 centimeter. Now next case, diameter 8.14. So circumference of circle is pi d. Why pi d? Because I have taken here, I have shown you why pi d. So it is again 22 by 7 into 8.4. You can calculate 84 is also divisible by 7. What is it? It is 1.2. So 22 into 1.2. 22 2s are 44. Carry 4. 22 1s are 22 plus 4. 26. So 26.4 meters. If you want to check, you can use this formula also. 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 8.4. It is 1.2. So, no, radius is 8.4 divided by 2, that is 4.2. First take radius 4.2. Now take here radius 4.2. 7 6 are 4.2. So 0.6. 0.6 into 2, it is 1.2 into 22. And again 1.2 into 22 we have calculated. It is 26.4 meters. So you can solve in both ways. You can solve as 2 pi, you can solve as pi d also. Right. So okay students, this is enough for today's session. In today's session what we have learned? We have learned circumference of circle, area of circle, their formulae, how to derive their formulae. Question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise 13.3. In next session we will continue from the question number 3. Okay? So till then, take care and thank you.